Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see simple and easy choco pastry this using choco whipped cream. We'll see in detail. Before that, welcome everyone to Lathus Kitchen. You're here first time, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and do press the bell so that you get notified on any uploads that we make on our channel. If you like the video, leave a like and find it useful, do share. The more you share, it means a lot to us. Yes, let's get started how to make this. First, let's save the dry 1 cup of whole wheat and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a tablespoon of baking soda, just a pinch of salt. We're going to save this nicely. Saving it for 2 to 3 times will create more air and your cake will be more fluffier. Yes, I'm using whole wheat, and for the sweetener, completely jaggery powder. So definitely in that sense of it is definitely healthy cake. Once you saved all the flour, mix it well and keep it aside. Now let's work on with the wet ingredients. 1/4 cup of oil goes in, and little more than half cup plus 2 more tablespoons of jaggery powder goes in. Give it a good whisk along with the oil first, because jaggery powder generally will have some granules, so better to whisk it every time so that it gets dissolved completely. Then goes in 1/4 cup of curd, and then whisk it along with the jaggery powder and the oil. You can add brown sugar, yes, but I'm adding here jaggery powder. Half a tablespoon of vanilla essence goes in. You need to keep whisking till you get nice smooth texture, this liquid ingredient. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Now 1 tablespoon of lemon juice goes in. You can as well replace it with vinegar if you don't have lemons. I'm adding here 2 to 3 tablespoons of some chocolate ganache, which I have made it a few days back. I'm adding it, and this more chocolatey, yes, this pastry. Even the whipped cream is going to be chocolate whipped cream, so it's double the dhamaka of chocolate. Now combine the wet along with the dry. Mix it well. Gently fold. By adding milk, I have used in fact 1/4 cup of milk, adding little by little, and created a nice thick semi-thick batter. Ensure you've already greased your baking tray with butter paper, and you can use any tin. You can just add the batter and tap it for it to release its air bubble, if any. Preheat the oven to 180 for 10 minutes and bake it for 35 minutes. Now once it is baked, of course check if the knife or toothpick comes out clean, which means it's cooked properly. Let it cool down completely, then you can unmold it and remove the butter paper, and we're going to cling wrap it and keep it inside the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes for it to set, so that when you do the frosting, you will not find the crumbly texture on top. So that's the whole idea of cling wrapping it and putting inside the fridge. I'm also a beginner, so I request all of you all to join with me in this quest of learning baking. Let's all learn together and share some knowledge. If you have any tips, feel free to Write it in the comment section. Now whipped cream, I'm using whipped cream powder, PK, which I've already posted how to get yummy whipped cream using PIK whipped cream powder, which you get it easily at Amazon. 150 ml of milk, 150 gram packet of the powder goes in and whip till you get a soft peak. And then we're going to add some ganache, chocolate ganache, and whip till you get a sniff peak. I use Philip 450 watts hand mixer. I've already posted, of course, unboxing of this. If you want, you can take a view. I'll give the link in the description. And it takes hardly 4 to 5 minutes to whip any cream. Now it's been 30 minutes, so I'm going to take the cake out and see. We can start doing frosting. Just cut the top to make it even. And how many of a layer you want, you can cut them into that many layers depending upon your tin size. I'm taking 3 layers out here. My little one said I want a 3-layer cake, so here you go. Beautifully it's baked whole wheat jaggery. Absolutely happy with the way it's baked. Now add some whipped cream. I'm not using, in fact, rather a cake table or cake board. I'm just directly just for home purpose, decorating it on the serving plate by keeping little whipped cream down, and then the first layer of the cake goes, then the whipped cream goes in, then followed by the next layer of the cake. Likewise, you arrange it and then cover it with more whipped cream on the sides and top, and refrigerate for at least 35 to 45 minutes for it to set nicely. Then you cut and serve as the way you want it. I have kept some Cadbury shots. My little one just loved this chocolate, so more chocolatey to make her happy in this lockdown. So hope you're going to give this pastry a try, Choco whipped cream pastry, and do let me know how you liked it. Thank you so much for tuning into Lathus Kitchen. Looking forward to seeing you back again. Thank you.